Hello, hello. Did you fall in love? Did you fall in love? Look at that. I have out fancied myself. This is, dare I say, the most beautiful plating I've done, probably ever on this channel. And so I whipped up some mild Italian sausage, macaroni salad, potatoes, got a little garlic mayo type dip on the side, orange tangerine drink. Ah, and yeah, I mean, where's my Michelin star, huh? Look at that. And it tastes delicious because while I was putting everything away, I had a little bit of extra potato and a tiny bit of extra sausage. So I got the whole deal. Mwah, already delicious. Fancy man. I'm in a fancy mood these days. Just nice. With the sausage. Mm. Delicious. And already a tiny bit sad because it will get destroyed. It's beautiful, it's sexy. So yes, nice potato with sauce as well. Bellissimo. Mm-hmm. Yum, yum, yum. So yes, extra classy. The ingredients, as far as the ingredients, not as classy as, duck breast, but presentation. Ooh, how much would you pay for at like a fancy restaurant? You go to a restaurant, this is the plate they bring to you, to your date. It's the start of a good evening. You look around to know what to order, you see someone on the next table eating this. Come on. You'd be like, Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's so good. It's so good. And yeah, I could have done steak or even the duck breast had I thought of it then, because I didn't, right? I thought of it now. I thought of it this morning, actually. Not even this morning. Around noon. This would have made the duck breast fancy theme. Although I did like the other one with the kind of a star-shaped, different potatoes. I've been doing potatoes, if you haven't noticed, because I bought a whole sack of potatoes on a ridiculous special for some reason, and they're good. It's not like they were like bad potatoes. So I've had a few potatoes in the last week or so. You might have noticed I am potato man. So for the duck breast, I did, the round shapes. For the breakfast, classic, just like chopped up. Now we do the kind of wedges. But yes, fancy mode activated today. I didn't even expect it at the beginning of the day. And all of that because of this. The macaroni salad. I did not make this. I did add a little bit of extra seasoning and herbs. But I didn't make this. It was 50 cents on special. 50 cents. And I'm like, you know what, let's get one. Because I was buying groceries, right? And I'm like, what do I make? I even searched, macaroni salad mukbangs. Most people have chicken with it. Fried chicken, I mean, it goes good. And I'm like, do I get chicken? I do have some chicken breast, but I don't want to, and I didn't know what to make. And then I'm like, I do have sausage. And even then, I was like, this hadn't like the shape. Potatoes, later on, I do have a bunch of potatoes, but I already have this. Would it be too much? Blah, 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 blah. And then everything came together and boom, here we are. Oh, macaroni salad mukbang. Look at everything. Nothing as sexy as this. And if that wasn't on special, I wouldn't have thought of it. It's like turn of events. I can make my own macaroni salad. 50 cents for a pound. This is a lot. I ate a little bit before. But again, big meal. Big meal. And let's get in there. All because of a 50-cent investment. Hey. Worth it. Reminds me, I did a potato salad with sausage and a bunch of like sauteed onions a couple of months ago. Same thing, potato salad on sale, like $1 for big. It was a big one too. It was like 2 pounds, like a kilo of potato salad. And then my foodie brain does the rest. Yum. Oh. Why is there a creature flying? What the hell? How did it survive? How did it get here? Mm-hmm. Come on. Come on. Oh, you guys. A great way to end the day. Get in there. Not too much in there. Okay then. I didn't specify. Oh. Oh, amazing. Delicious. And the visuals actually help. It's kind of weird though. Does it looking good made it more delicious in my mind? I think it did. It created an extra illusion because it'd be good if I just dumped it on a plate and just. But you know, sometimes the visuals. I'm not too visual, to be honest. Like presentation wise, food, if it's good, it's good. But sometimes, get out of here, you. Sometimes it does very much influence, and I know, like in general, for other people it might. But yeah, sexy and delicious. That's what life is all about. There's a mosquito for some reason. They should not be running around at this late in the year. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. How can you not enjoy? Maybe if you're a vegan, you saw the sausage and you got angry. Otherwise, how can you not enjoy? I hope you did. I'll see you tomorrow.